Hi everyone, and a very warm welcome to this continuing series of education now. My name is Moya Kihuba of Institute of Finance. In today's videocast, we'll look at data analytic process. What is data analytics? Data analytics is the process of collecting, transforming, cleaning, and modeling data to discover the required information. It is the science of analyzing low data sets to discover patterns, draw variable information, and derive a conclusion regarding the information they hold. The results obtained are communicated, suggesting conclusion and supporting decision making. It's important to note that the terms data modeling, data analytics, and data analysis will mean the same thing and will be used interchangeably in this video. Data analytics follows a rigorous step-by-step process, each stage requiring different skills and know-how. To get meaningful insights, though, it is important to understand the process as a whole, and I'm going to summarize it in the next few minutes. The process consists of the following phases that are interactive in nature. The first step is data requirement specification. The second one is data collection. The third is data cleaning. This data analysis. And finally, this communication. Let's look at each one of those steps in turn. We start with data requirement specification. The data required for analysis is based on the question or on the experiment or on the requirements of the researcher. The necessary data can be divided by a range of criteria such as age, population, income, or even gender. The value of data can be numeric or categorical, quantitative or qualitative. Step 2 is data collection. Data collection is the process of gathering information on targeted variables identified during data requirement specification. The data is collected from various sources, ranging from organizational database to information on web pages. The data thus obtained may or may not be structured and may contain all relevant information and sometimes irrelevant information. The data collected can fit in any one of three categories: first-party data, second-party data, and third-party data. What is first-party data? First-party data are data that you or your company have directly collected from your clients. It might come in forms of transactional tracking data or information from your company's customer relation management. Whatever its source, first-party data is usually structured and organized in a clear, defined way. Other sources of first-party data might include customer satisfaction survey, focus group interviews, or direct observation. It's important to note that first-party data can also be categorized as primary data. What is second-party data? To enrich your analysis, you might want to secure a secondary data source. So, second-party data is first-party data of other organizations. This might be available directly from the company or through a private marketplace. The main benefit of secondary party data is that they are usually structured, and although they will be less relevant than first-party data, they also tend to be quite reliable. Examples of second-party data include websites, apps, social media activities, such as online purchase history, and so forth. What is third-party data? Third-party data is data that have been collected and aggregated from numerous sources by a third-party organization. Often, third-party data contains vast amount of unstructured data points, that is big data. Many organizations collect big data to create industry reports or to conduct market research. The research and advisory firm Ganter is a well-known worldwide. Such other third-party data could come from, say, Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, World Bank Development Indicators, or even IMF. There are many other open data repositories and government portals that also are source of third-party data. Third-party data is secondary data. Step 3 is screening the data. The processed and organized data may be incomplete, contain duplicates, or contain errors. Data cleaning is the process of preventing and correcting these sort of errors. Data cleaning depends on the type of data. For instance, while cleaning the financial data, certain totals might be compared against reliable published numbers or defined thresholds. Likewise, quantitative data methods can be used for outlier detection that would be subsequently excluded from further analysis. Step 4 is data analysis. The type of data analysis you carry out largely depends on what goal you have. There are many techniques available, for instance, univariate or bivariate analysis, time series analysis, regression analysis, longitudinal analysis, and many more. How you apply them is, however, critical and depends on what insights you are hoping to get from them. Broadly speaking, all types of data analysis fit in one of the following 5 categories. It could be descriptive, diagnostic, inferential, predictive, or prescriptive. The descriptive analysis aims to describe the basic feature of your data, but without making any inferences or prediction. It is the basic requirement before doing any other analysis and help in selecting proper mathematical or statistical method to apply for the database. Examples of descriptive statistics would be measures of frequency, measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, and measures of position. I'll do a separate video for that, so keep watching out on it. Diagnostic analysis, on the other hand, focuses on understanding if the assumptions of regression are met. Performing linear regression cannot automatically give reliable results. To bring out reliability outcomes, it is very important that we cite certain assumptions. And those assumptions are mainly investigated, and they include linearity, homoscedasticity, collinearity, autocorrelation, specification, and normality. The other type of analysis is inferential analysis. And with inferential analysis, we seek to analyze the dataset or datasets to find the relations between two or more variables, or testing hypotheses about a database. I've previously created a video on testing hypotheses. Inferential analysis can be carried out in 2 ways: hypothesis testing and parameter estimation. Like I mentioned, I've already done a video, and the link to that video will be on the video description below. The other type of analysis is predictive analysis. Predictive analysis allows you to identify future trends based on historical data. In business, predictive analysis is commonly used to forecast future growth, for instance. On the other hand, prescriptive analysis is often an extension of predictive analytics and allows you to make recommendations for the future. Like I mentioned, prescriptive analysis is often an extension of predictive analytics that seeks to prescribe the best course of action using all data given and insights available while considering the inherent uncertainty of present data. Prescription analysis uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, pattern recognition, and so forth. There's a whole range of software packages and tools for data analysis and visualization. This range from access to Excel, or to dedicated packages such as SPSS, Starter, R, and so forth. Such analytical tool would include the following, and they are dependent on the type of data or the type of analysis you want to use. For instance, in analytical data, Python is an increasingly popular tool for data analysis. On the other hand, R is a free software environment for statistical computing and graphics. We have SPSS, which is a data analysis software that allows editing and analysis of all types of quantitative data. We have Starter, we also have eViews. On qualitative data, We have all those, and we have visualization tools. The final step of data analytic process is to communicate the findings, and this involves interpreting the outcome and presenting them in a manner that is understandable to the targeted audience. The insights you present should be clear and unambiguous. For these reasons, data analysts commonly use reports, dashboards, interactive videos, visuals to support their finding. Thank you for your time. Please consider subscribing if you already have not done so. Comment, subscribe, like, and I do wish you a fantastic day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.